What's happening? What's happening? Cashman. Yo, what's going on? What's happening, guys? So, by someone 2P, and we're back on my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, we're actually gonna be doing something super amazing. Cash, no, man, no, no, cash, no. So, on today's video, we are actually gonna be doing something super amazing, guys. Cash actually made me dirty. You can see here. Like I just got out here and I still have to go somewhere, but he jumped on me and then I got dirty same time. But it's okay, I forgive him. So in today's video, we're actually going to be looking at the top 10 cryptos that I've been able to choose for the whole of 2022. And you know, it took me a while. I had to go through a lot of browsing, learning about this, learning about that, seeing what are some of the values that I can take from this type of crypto, doing all those things. So I ended up choosing my top 10 best. And with the top 10, I've also came up with a strategy that I'm gonna invest in those cryptos every single month. That's gonna help me be able to just like, you know, get, I don't know, 10 times, 100 times my rewards, but I'll just see how it is. One thing that I love is that the strategy is involved. It includes things such as compound investments and all those things. So yeah, you guys are gonna learn a lot from that. And not even that, you know, I'm doing a giveaway. I decided that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on each and every YouTube video that I'm gonna be posting. So this giveaway is gonna be the book, The Journey to 100 Million. So obviously the physical copy of it, instead of just getting the PDF, you're gonna get the physical copy. So the person that actually does get to win this giveaway, you guys have to send me your address and you're gonna get the signed version of the Journey to 100 Million book. But stay tuned and know what you have to do in order to get this giveaway. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are. I've landed in my office in the headquarters, Chase's headquarters. So yeah, this is where the magic happens, you know. So yeah, like I did, so we're gonna be looking at the top 10 cryptos that I've been able to choose. Out of the top 10, there's like, you know, things such as your microchip cryptos that people also do trade. But I decided to stay a bit more away from those because they are a bit more too volatile, you understand? They get influenced by the bigger cryptos that they are under, so their parent cryptos. So no, I decided that I'm gonna be looking at like your gaming type stuff, not even that, also other cryptos. But I think this would just be me going forward in my crypto career instead of me trying to day trade it, do all those things. It's a bit too, it takes a lot of time. I'm just gonna be investing in it monthly, and I'll just be looking at it maybe once or twice a week, just to see what the movement is like in the markets and stuff. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So I've been able to choose 10 out of the 10. Also make sure that you stay up until the very end, because that's where I actually do want to speak about the giveaway on how you can get the Journey to 100 Million. Where's the book? Where's the book? Right here. Let me get it. How you can get this in your hands, signed by me obviously. And yeah, so each and every video that I'll be doing, you'll be getting that. So make sure that you do follow out with the specific requirements that needs to be done. So the very first one, like I did speak, the first two you actually do know, it's Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is the first two ones. So let's just take a look at here on CoinMarketCap. So I came here on CoinMarketCap. This is the platform that I'm using in looking at crypto. So also one thing that you can do is that, like, you know, you can simply see here there's like top 10. This is like, it goes with the list, like, it goes with the list in terms of price here and volumes and all those things. But the most important thing, looking at the price, this is the most expensive. Then Ethereum followed, then you know, your Tether, and then your BNB, and then, you know, and so it goes on and on and on and on. But one thing that I like is that when I start looking at Ethereum and, you know, compared to Bitcoin, I think on my side, you know, Ethereum has more potential, more growth to be where Bitcoin is at. You understand? So Bitcoin currently is on $40,000 just one Bitcoin, and I believe that Ethereum can get to a point where it is at $40,000. You understand? So obviously we'll just see as we go. Let's just get into Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll go into TradingView. I love TradingView. You know, we love using TradingView. And with this, yes, you can see for the past few days we took a dump. It went a bit to the downside. But let me just go to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, obviously, so it started, we got this bull run, it came back to reach somewhere around here. We got the second bull run. So we've got our higher high, our higher low, our higher high. It broke the previous higher low, you guys can see. But now here, this is actually where price is going to be giving us what? It's going to be giving us more movements in order to just see that we still continuing upwards. I believe the price is not going to be breaking below these structures here. We are going to still continue going all the way to the upside now. And so yeah, that's what I was seeing, that's what I've been seeing on Bitcoin. But one thing that I dislike, because I wouldn't put, like, I decided that I'm going to be putting equal amounts of money on all of, like, I wouldn't take one investment and put all of my investment on it. Because look at the fully diluted market cap. It's on 839 billion, 839 billion, yes. But look at the market cap. Bitcoin market cap already, it's on this much. You understand? It's already close to being the fully diluted market. But yeah, also I love the fact that also, yeah, you can simply see that we are about to reach the total supply, because you can see 21,000 is the max supply, but so far we've got over, not 21,000, 21 million. Yeah? We've got over 18 million, 18.9, which is like 19 million, the total that has been supplied. So the volume now 24/7, the volume that's being traded in Bitcoin, we're speaking at, okay, this is thousands, this is a million. Okay, we're looking at, I think it's 21 billion. That's like the volume that that's being traded in 24 hours compared on Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, one thing that you can also do to keep yourself with knowledge, you can also come down here and learn a bit more about what's going on with this coin, what's actually happening, learn more about what are the next few moves, what's going to be expected next, that's going to help it grow. And some of the markets that it does have is, like, you can simply see Binance, you can simply see Coinbase. These are the markets that are under Bitcoin. So obviously you can invest into things such as these, and confidence, high volume, these are the volumes. And yeah, so I'm positive, but I don't want to waste a lot of time getting into details with one thing, because this video is going to be long if I really do that. So that's Bitcoin. The second one is Ethereum. I've got my book here. Second one is Ethereum. Let's see. So on Ethereum, or trading view, on Ethereum, you can simply see so far, guys, like I did say, okay, it's on daily. Let me just come a bit up and go to the monthly. Ethereum, I see a lot of growth for it now. Obviously fully diluted market cap, and also the market cap, it's not too nice to follow through with, but just take a look at this. And normally one thing that I was able to see is that in the markets, you'll get that first bull run, take it easy with that first, but that's where people make money, all those things, but it'll lay low a bit. The second bull run is where investors actually get to capitalize, because the second bull run is the one, like you see here. First bull run, we got it. So let's take it easy. That second bull run, maybe price can still play around, but the second bull run that we're going to be getting to the upside, it's going to be too much. And we can maybe see that even on the daily time frame, we can easily be able to see that. Okay, you see, boom, took a low, and then boom on the daily time frame. So this is like, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're expecting price to continue going, breaking highs to higher highs. So, but yeah, that's actually it with Ethereum. You can learn more about it. Yeah, I've done my research, I've done my information, that's how I've got it down. Let's see the third one that I have on the list. It's Shiba. So this one, yeah, I was actually watching what is it, a live from Elon Musk. I was actually watching a live from Elon Musk, talking about specific stuff, things that they're going to be doing in order to make this coin become the one. So yeah, I was actually looking at that, and I just fell in love with it, and I just believe in the vision that they've got. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to be an investor. So Elon, if you're watching this video, I'm with you, my brother. So, but yeah, here we are. Let's just get this to load real quick. Oh yeah, so you can see this one here is a fresh one. Started like literally last year, May. We've only got a few candles on the daily. So far, this is where we are now. And let's see, market cap is on 15 mil. Okay, it's 15 bill. Yeah, 15. Fully diluted is on 16. 16, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 16. And the volume in the last 24 hours, you can see what it has been happening here. And you can get more information from it down there. But with this one here, I'm looking at it against the USDT. So it's promising, it's promising. What I can see from here is price can literally just start. So far, we're correcting here. This was a correction. Price broke to the upside. So now we're experiencing this young, beautiful correction. And This, if you just take a look at this is a support area right here. We're a support area, you understand? So if I may put it from the week, yeah, support area. So prices, definitely we have to go higher. We have to go higher on this beautiful one. So that's Shiba. Let me go on to the next one, which is Terra. Okay, I'll just come here by obviously by trading view. So one thing that I like about this is obviously look at the fully diluted market cap. Look at the market cap that we've got here. So already, like, you can simply see that there's still room for growth in terms of the market cap that we are currently in. Not only that, the price, I think it's a bit more fair where it's at now. Even though it's a bit too expensive, but it's doable. We can still invest in it at this time. And you can see since it started somewhere 2 years ago, 20 on September, price has been, it shot all the way upwards and then now came back down. So let's go on the daily time frame. That was on the monthly daily time frame, just to see those bull runs. So the best way that you can enter the market, truly speaking, guys, is when it's going through phases such as this, so you get to benefit from all those bull runs. So currently here where it's at, price could just play around, but we are definitely going to be seeing the next bull run. And since I did say price is now at $51, see, the previous year was on $100. Like, that's where it has been the highest, which was December time, the 26th, literally 2 months ago. This price was $100. One of these were $100, but now it's on $51. So it's a good investment, looking at where it can be in the next few months. And obviously, guys, with the information that I've provided, you can learn from all the details and what it's about and what it does. Or here you can look at some of the markets that are under or that are trading with Luna, and you can trade this on Binance just by going to Luna USDT, and then you can execute some trades there. That's what I'll be doing. But yeah, I'm happy with this one here. That's Terra. So the fifth one which I have on the list is Decentraland. I'm sure some of you guys that actually do follow crypto, you've seen this one here. So price now is $2, on which I believe that there's still a lot of room. Looking at also the market cap, the fully diluted market cap, the volume that it's now currently trading at, even they dropped by close to 40% in the last 24 hours. But look at this, guys. Obviously the market has, starting from right here, this movement, we got a young bull run, but this wasn't actually a bull run. The bull run actually came here, because this was just like correction the whole of 2021, basically, like the end of 2021, because it started by the end, approaching the end, like from the May we started ranging, and then boom, October 29 we started shooting upwards, bull run. Like, yeah, you would have imagined price went from 0.76. So having one of these costed you 0.76 to having one of these being $5 at a maximum within a period of 3 days. Imagine. So if you bought 100 of these, it wasn't gonna cost you more than $10. It wasn't gonna cost you more than $10. It wasn't gonna cost you more than even $100. Yeah, but you're gonna be able to sell these for over, like, what, a lot of money, like $5, 100. That's how much. $500. You're gonna be making like 500% on just your investment. So we're looking for more movements such as this, because now I understand that we're in the ranging phase. Once you do go up, it's still, one thing that I like about these ones is that they're still low in terms of price, like $2 still not expensive to get one of these. And there's a lot of room for growth. Like, you can see price pushing all the way up. You can see even people here comment, but you can see price pushing all the way up to $100, $80, $50 within, let's say, the year end and stuff. So that's one thing that I'm looking for, those massive movements. And obviously you can learn more about it going all the way to the downside, get some news, just be updated with what's actually going on, what are they doing in order to just make this valuable, because it does give, like, all those values and stuff. So that's Decentraland. Okay, we've got also Ultra. So Ultra, I love it. Also, one thing that came to my awareness was that Ultra was, if you guys do know Steam things that they actually do use to play games. If you guys know Steam, Ultra is like what the Steam of of the metaverse or the gaming in the metaverse side of things. Ne? So that's the young information that I got. Look at the fully diluted market cap. There's still a lot of room for growth. Look at this. So this is the one that I'm excited with. Like with the mindsets that we trading the way that we trade. I wouldn't put all my investments on it, even though I believe so much in it. But it's undervalued now. Like $1. For just $1, I can already be investing on this. So if I buy, like, I don't know, if I can invest $100 a month on this, imagine how many of these I'm gonna own. And when it does happen to 100x, how much did I make? With that $100 for 1 month, I've made $1,000. So if I've invested $1,000 total, I've made $10,000, which is nice for just investing. No investment can give you that. So yeah, obviously you can see price now where it's at. Let me just go on the monthly to show you guys where we actually be coming from. The volume that we are now trading at is right here, the 24. And yeah, let's see. So we started somewhere around 20th, the 1st of September, 20th, 2020, and price kept on just going upwards. So I fully believe that these numbers we are going to be coming here, guys. We are going to be going to $40. We are going to be going to $100 and all those numbers. You guys can see, you guys have seen that happening with all the pairs. Now we are starting with them from the start. Imagine what's going to be happening if you are buying and holding these for the next 5 years. Because these are actually going to be, even though now it's not yet on the top 100, it's not yet on the top 100, the top 10 list. But these are the ones, it's now ranked 153. You'll see within within 12 months, this is going to be a bit more closer to the top 10, if not in the top 10. Ne? I feel good, but I don't know, but yeah. And yeah, more information you can get about it. So let me not waste time. Ultra, I've got your Vulcan, because I'm hungry. I was actually making food, so now the food, I can smell it, it's ready. Vulcan's price is also on $12. Obviously, let's just take a look at trading view, right here on trading view. You can look at the fully diluted market cap, look at the market cap on its own, that we're actually pushing upwards. There's room for growth. So far, one Vulcan, you can see what this price that's being said here. We're looking at $12. So you buy one Vulcan for $12. So with 120, you can get 10 of these tokens, ne? And yeah, there's a lot of room for growth in terms of looking at bull runs. We only experienced this one bull run. Then now, yeah, this is that one that can start exploding anytime from now. Boom, go up, go all the way from $11 all the way up to $50, because that's where it was the highest, which was like December 2 months ago. It was on $50 and now it's on $11. So you see that like once it does go up, there's a higher, it can break that $50 and go maybe on $70. So I'm excited. So if I own one, let's say I buy 10 of these, it's gonna cost me $120 now, ne? I'm gonna own 10 of these, $120. But guys, to be honest, like after like, when this does happen to be $80, that means that I've got 120 of these $80. Let's do the math. Like if you just multiply 120, if I buy 10, it's going to be $120, and then now one is going to be worth $80. That means with just 2 of these coins, I would have made back my money, and the rest, that means that with 10 coins out, $800. So I've invested $120 and I've made $800. That's like what, maybe 400, I don't know, 600% returns. Beautiful though, but we'll be doing compound investments on it. Ne? Okay, I've got CDFI. One thing that I like is that you can come here and learn about like the project information, Twitter, Reddit, like see the information that's being shared out the socials, how many people are actually talking about this, you understand? You see, right, that's what's actually going on, some of the analysis, price estimates, price estimates, you can submit your estimates, you can see what other people are saying. But if you're a good technical reader, then you're safe. Like me, I'm a good technical reader. I've seen the market cap, then the fully diluted market cap. I can see the technicals that this is the bull run. We're expecting the second bull run, and so far it's undervalued. Like $6 for just one of these, I wouldn't mind putting that. Like, it's a good investment for me. So yeah, in the next 12 months, I'm looking at CDFI, and I've got 2 more that I'm just gonna be touching a bit more on. D-Race, I've got D-Race, which is now $1. Look at the fully diluted market cap. Look at the market cap on its own. And this are all like, because these are like from the gaming. I think D-Race is like it's a metaverse type of gaming whereby that's gonna happen in terms of you're gonna be able to play horses, like race with horses, bet with horses on the metaverse. So obviously, horse betting and all those things are, people are into that, people are making money doing that, people love that, especially people with money and stuff. So now it's moving to the metaverse. So it can be deeper than that. I believe in that. I believe in that progress. I believe in that project that they're actually working on. And see, boom, it started all the way from Yeshum. Then now it's playing around here. So it's gonna be shooting all the way upwards. Like I see this one here going a bit more to the upside. For now it's a bit undercapped, like what? $1. Imagine in the next 12 months it being on $12, or just even $8, even $6 or $5. I've made five times what I've put in. So that's amazing. And the last one is the T10 Arena. THD against USDT. This is the last one that I have. Okay, the last one that I have, let's look at the market cap. It's 194 million market cap, and the fully diluted is on 790 million. So there's a lot of room for growth. And obviously, if things such as your Bitcoins are going up, these coins are actually also going to follow through and go up with them. If Ethereum actually does go up, they're going to go through with them, you understand? So if you believe that Ethereum is going up, you can also invest in such, you understand? And currently it being, imagine just November last day it was on $25, and currently it's on $1. That means that if you get it now on $1, like it's low. If you get it now on $1 and it does go back to $25, so how much did you make? 25 times? 25 times? And it can be way more than that. I'm speaking at 100 times. I'm looking at 100 times returns. And the volumes that are being traded, as you can see, are 4.8 million in the last 24 hours. There's a lot of room for growth on this one here. So yeah, that's actually what I'm looking at. And my strategy that I'm going to be implementing is like literally simple. I'm going to be investing a specific amount. So if I'm putting $10,000 a month on crypto, I'm going to be putting it, which let's say in the next 12 months, it's in the next 10 months, because it's 10 months already, I'm looking at investing $100,000 in total. So that $100,000 is going to be invested equally in all of these top 10 cryptos that I'm looking at. So if let's say I'm putting 1,000 on all of them, I'll be doing that. And I'll be looking at my portfolio now and then, and maybe on some months that I'll be having, because I can see some months whereby this is actually going to be a bit more overpriced. So maybe I can wait for it to retest, or I'll wait for it to just come at a lower price and I'll invest back into it. So that's what I'll be doing in terms of going forward with that. And also, like I did say with the giveaway, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away the journey to 100 million. And for you that actually watched this video up until this very end, it shows that you are dedicated, you'd love to learn, you'd love to just see yourself growing as a person. So the only way that you can be able to get this in your hands is obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. One of those that actually do give out the best comments, that have subscribed and that have liked, are gonna be the ones that actually do go out there, and you are going to be chosen on each and every YouTube video that I'll be coming up with next. I'll see, okay, this is the best comment that I actually chose. So I'll take your name, then I'll look, okay, does they follow? Did they like? Okay, perfect, they did like, they follow. And obviously, if you guys do happen to share also on Instagram and other social media platforms, then I'll notice you more. Because if I see, hey, this person mentioned you on Instagram, then I repost you, and then I'll be like, okay, let's look at your name, let's see if you commented. I'll see your comment. Oh, they've commented, let me see if they follow. They do, they have subscribed. Oh wow, perfect, let me just reach out to this person. I like your comment. Hey, you want the copy, send me your address. You send me your address, this book comes straight to you. So that's it. That's how you're gonna be getting this book. I'll be doing giveaways. I've got 300 books that I want to just give away. But at the same time, if you don't want to wait for a giveaway to win, you can easily just buy this on the website, thejourneyto100million.co.za, or you can go to Amazon and get this. But it's Obaili Somutupi. I'll see you on the next YouTube video. Thank you for staying with me up until this very end.